Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best massage guns of 2024. We'll be reviewing the top 5 massage guns that offer the best performance, features, and value. Stick around to find out which one is the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Best overall, Theragun PRO 5th Gen. First up is the Theragun PRO Handheld Deep Tissue Massage Gun, a top-tier choice for anyone serious about pain relief and muscle recovery. This Bluetooth-enabled percussion massage gun offers powerful and customizable massages designed to reach deep into your muscles to alleviate soreness and improve circulation. With its ergonomic handle and adjustable arm, it's easy to target hard-to-reach areas like the neck, back, legs, shoulders, and more. The Theragun PRO features a high-performance motor with quiet force technology, ensuring a quiet yet powerful massage experience. It also comes with an impressive battery life of up to 300 minutes on a single charge, making it perfect for both personal use and professional therapy sessions. The device is equipped with 6 different attachments, allowing you to tailor your massage to specific needs and muscle groups. Users rave about the effectiveness of the Theragun PRO, highlighting its ability to quickly relieve tension and enhance muscle recovery. Compared to other massage guns, the Theragun PRO stands out for its advanced features, robust build quality, and professional-grade performance. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile massage gun to add to your fitness routine in 2024, the Theragun PRO is a top contender. Best value, Bob & Brad Q2 Mini. Next, let's take a look at the Bob & Brad Q2 Mini Massage Gun, a compact and portable option that packs a punch despite its small size. Designed by the renowned physical therapists Bob and Brad, this pocket-sized deep tissue massager is perfect for those on the go. The Q2 Mini features a powerful motor that delivers a high-frequency percussion massage, effectively targeting deep muscle layers to relieve tension and enhance recovery. Despite its power, it's ultra-quiet, ensuring a discreet and peaceful massage experience. The device comes with 5 adjustable speed levels and 5 interchangeable massage heads, allowing for a customizable massage tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're dealing with post-workout soreness or everyday muscle tension, the Q2 Mini has you covered. The compact design and included carry case make it easy to throw in your gym bag or carry with you while traveling. Users love its lightweight feel and the convenience it offers without compromising on performance. Best for athletes, Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Pro. Moving on, we have the Hypervolt 2 Pro, a high-performance percussion massage gun that features quiet glide technology for a quiet and powerful massage experience. This handheld device is designed to help relieve sore muscles and stiffness with its 5-speed settings and 5 interchangeable heads, allowing you to customize your massage to target specific muscle groups effectively. The Hypervolt 2 Pro stands out with its ergonomic design, making it easy to handle and use on various parts of the body, including the neck, back, legs, and shoulders. The quiet glide technology ensures that even at its highest speed, the device operates quietly, allowing you to use it without disturbing others. Users appreciate the high-torque motor that delivers consistent power, providing deep tissue massage that penetrates the muscles for effective pain relief and recovery. It's also FSA/HSA approved, making it a practical option for those looking to use their health savings benefits. The Hypervolt 2 Pro is praised for its durable build and long battery life, ensuring it's ready whenever you need it. Compared to other massage guns, the Hypervolt 2 Pro stands out for its quiet operation, powerful performance, and professional-grade quality, making it an excellent investment for anyone serious about muscle recovery and pain relief in 2024. Best Compact, LifePro Sonic Pro. Next, we have the LifePro Sonic Pro Percussion Massage Gun, a top-notch choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts in 2024. After extensive testing, it's clear this device is designed to deliver professional-grade muscle relief. The Sonic Pro boasts a powerful motor that provides deep tissue percussion, helping to alleviate soreness and improve recovery times. With 8 versatile attachments, this massage gun can target various muscle groups, from your neck and back to your legs and shoulders, ensuring a comprehensive massage experience. One of the standout features of the Sonic Pro is its customizable speed settings. Whether you need a gentle massage to unwind after a long day or a more intense session to break up stubborn knots, this device has you covered. The ergonomic design and lightweight build make it easy to handle, reducing strain on your hands during use. Plus, the quiet motor ensures your relaxation isn't disturbed by loud noise, a common issue with many massage guns. The battery life is also impressive, offering several hours of use on a single charge, which is perfect for those who need regular muscle care. Best budget, RAEMAO. Lastly, let's dive into the RAEMAO Massage Gun Deep Tissue, an excellent choice for athletes seeking pain relief and muscle recovery. This powerful percussion massager comes with 10 specialized replacement heads and 10 adjustable speed settings, allowing for a highly customizable massage experience. The versatile attachments make it easy to target specific muscle groups, whether you're focusing on your back, legs, shoulders, or any other area needing relief. The RAEMAO massage gun features an LED screen for easy speed adjustment and battery level monitoring, adding to its user-friendly design. Athletes love the deep tissue massage capability, which effectively alleviates muscle soreness and enhances recovery after intense workouts. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. Users appreciate the quiet operation of the high-torque motor, which provides a powerful yet peaceful massage session. The long-lasting battery life ensures you have enough power for multiple sessions before needing a recharge. And there you have it, the best massage guns of 2024. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Let us know in the comments which massage gun you're most excited to try, or if you have any questions. Links to all the products are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.